Good morning, friends. Today I am here with sound part 2 of 8th standard. In today's session, we are going to discuss about amplitude, time period and frequency, loudness and pitch of sound, audible and inaudible sound, noise and musical instrument, and noise pollution. Have you observed the motion of a simple pendulum? Its motion is to and fro motion, that is back and forth motion. Now let us discuss about amplitude, time period and frequency of vibration. Just in the previous slide we have observed the vibration of a pendulum. So on the basis of that we will make it clear about these terms. As we have discussed earlier, that vibration is the to and fro motion of any object, which is called as oscillatory motion. So, what is oscillatory motion? It is the to and fro motion of any object. So, motion of the pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called as an oscillation. What is an oscillation? It is the motion of the pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called an oscillation. Thus, the maximum displacement of an oscillating object, that is maximum movement of an oscillating object from its central position is called an amplitude, and the time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. Its unit is second. The number of oscillation per second is called frequency. What is frequency? It is the number of oscillation in 1 second. It means that in 1 second how many oscillation takes place. The unit of frequency is hertz, denoted by Hz. This is the figure which depicts about amplitude, wavelength and frequency. This figure also indicates about amplitude, wavelength and time. Now let us discuss about loudness and pitch of sound. Amplitude and frequency are the two important properties of any sound. The loudness of sound depends on its amplitude of vibration. When the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound produced is loud, and when amplitude of vibration is small, then sound produces feeble. The unit of loudness is called decibel and is denoted by dB. The pitch or shrillness of sound depends upon the frequency of vibration. If the frequency of vibration is higher, then the sound is shrill and having higher pitch. Whereas if the frequency of vibration is lower, then the sound has a lower pitch. For example, sound of a drum is of low pitch, whereas sound of an adult is also low pitch. But sound of a whistle and sound of a baby is having high pitch. In the given figure, you may visualize low pitch sound produced by drum and high pitch sound produced by whistle. Now it is about audible and inaudible sound. Audible sound is the sound which we can hear. Audible sound has frequencies which lies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. It means that it is between 20 and 20,000 vibrations per second. Inaudible sound are those sounds which we cannot hear. Inaudible sound has frequencies less than 20 Hz and more than 20,000 Hz. That is less than 20 vibration per second and more than 20,000 vibration per second. So I hope it is clear to all of you that audible sound is those sound which has frequency between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and inaudible sounds has frequency less than 20 Hz and more than 20,000 Hz. Sound whose frequencies are more than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound, and the sound whose frequencies are less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. Some animals like dog can hear ultrasonic sounds, and bat produce ultrasonic sound. This figure indicates about the human range of hearing. It shows that by green color it is in between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz only. Now it is about noise and musical sound. As we have discussed earlier that we hear different types of sounds around us. Sometimes sound also causes discomfort to us. Thus unpleasant sounds are called noise. Noise is produced by irregular vibrations. For example, if all the students in a classroom speak together, then noise is produced. Sound produced by horns and of buses and trucks also produces noise. In contrast to noise, when sound is pleasing to our ears, then it is called musical sound. It is produced by regular vibrations. For example, sound produced by any musical instrument, sound of a person who is singing a song. So these are producing musical sound which is pleasant to our ear. This figure indicates about the noise. Here it is indicating about the musical sound. The students are singing a song. The bird is producing beautiful sound which is very pleasant to our ears. Now let us discuss about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Whenever there is presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment, it leads to noise pollution. There are different causes of noise pollution. It is caused by sounds produced by vehicles, explosions including bursting of crackers, machines, loudspeakers, etc. In our home, noise pollution is caused by television, radio and music system when they are started at very high volume. Some kitchen appliances like desert coolers, air conditioners are also cause of noise pollution. Now let us see what are the harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution leads to several health related problems like lack of sleep, hypertension, high blood pressure, anxiety, etc. Noise may lead to temporary or permanent impairment of hearing when any person is exposed to loud sound continuously. Now it is about what measures are taken to limit noise pollution. Noise pollution can be reduced by using silencers in vehicles, industrial machines and home appliances. It can also be controlled by reducing use of vehicle horns, running TV, radio and music system at low volumes. We can also control noise pollution by planting trees along roads and buildings. This is very important. In this figure, it is about different causes of noise pollution. In the given figure, it is also about noise pollution caused by different ways. This figure also indicates about the different causes of noise pollution like motor vehicles on roads, burning of crackers, loudspeaker at high volumes, construction of buildings, TV at high volume, hand mixer and sound of helicopter. This figure visualizes about the effect of noise pollution like irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure and increased stress. So this is all about today's session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.